Captain's log, stardate 41242.4. Our last assignment has taken us into the remote Omicron Theta star system, home of our android crew member, Lieutenant Commander Data. Although we're due at our next assignment, I have decided to visit Data's home planet for a few hours in the hopes of unraveling some of the mystery of his beginnings.
Sir, we are now 20 minutes from Omicron Theta. Mark.
Stand by for subwarp. Head for standard orbit of Data's planet. Wonder why Data hasn't come up here.
He said he wanted to be alone. Perhaps this is a bigger moment for him than we thought.
Data!
Chew!
What are you doing?
Sneezing.
Have you got a cold?
A cold what?
It's a disease my mom says people used to get.
Ah. But humans still sneeze for other reasons. And I cannot seem to do it right.
How can you be practicing something like sneezing when we're arriving at your home planet for the first time? Aren't you interested in that?
More than interested. Fascinated. One might say agog. But I also find sneezing interesting. Chew!
Captain Picard wishes to see you on the bridge.